So boom guys, we are breaking out towards the upside, and guys, this is just only the beginning of this new huge Bitcoin pump towards the upside. Alright, if we have a look in towards the technical targets, well, we still have a very long way to go towards the 28.7k. So this is also a very major target already that we still do have. But in my opinion, we will be going even higher. In my opinion, we are looking in towards this falling wedge structure, and right here, if we are going to be breaking out towards the upside, what will be very likely if we will be reaching this target of about 28.7k, well, then we are just going to be creating another leg towards the upside, towards the 34k level. I do think so. So guys, this is what I'm currently looking at, and guys, we got this very nice long position in right here. Of course, as you guys know, I've been very bullish on the Bitcoin price for the past recent days, and this turned out to be a very good move, of course, because a major trend is still towards the upside. We want to be rather longing the market than actually shorting the market, and this is exactly what we did. Okay, we got this massive daily support right here from of this level, and as you can be seeing previously around, this turned out to be very strong resistance and support for Bitcoin in the past. And right now, once again, we are getting supported by this level. We are getting supported by our daily support right here. We are getting supported by our daily Fibonacci golden pocket support right here, and we are about to break this downtrend into an uptrend, guys. This is what I've been waiting for. I've been saying this for a very long time. I want to be seeing this downtrend turning in towards an uptrend, because then in all of the time frames we are going to be trading in towards an uptrend, because of course on a daily time frame as well, we are still as well trading in towards an uptrend. So I'm still rather longing than actually shorting right here. Okay, and I've been saying if we are going to be breaking this one out towards the upside, I'm going to be opening my long positions, because at that given moment, well, I think we are going to be flipping this downtrend in towards an uptrend once again, which will be meaning way higher prices for Bitcoin getting reached. So guys, everything is kind of playing out right now, which is looking very good. And of course, in a very short term, we can still retest this breakout right here, and that would actually be pretty good. And at the point of the retest, I might be even interested in even adding towards my long position and adding even more quantity towards my long position. Right now, in a very short term, we are having some resistance because of these high points right here, of these previous highs, but I think it will just be a matter of some time before we will actually be breaking these resistances. And if we will, well, we will once again fly off towards the upside once again. And I think at that moment, whenever break this resistance right there, we will reach our target of about the 28.7k level. Okay, so very interesting times. And if we just have a very quick look in towards this chart right here, because of course we have been breaking this head and shoulders and this symmetrical triangle towards the downside, and a lot of people think actually this downwards break is quite bearish, but I actually think this one is quite bullish. And even right now, we are testing this break once again. Okay, look at this. We have gotten a perfect retest right there towards the downside, and this was actually looking quite scary. But at this moment, because we got a bounce, right, we got strength returning in towards the market, and we did not see this crash actually coming through. We saw once again strength coming in towards the market, and we got this bounce in towards resistance once again. And yes, indeed, we did get this rejection once again, but this was just signaling me that once again the market is finding strength in towards the market, and that is looking very good. So we flipped bullish right here at this point, and right now we are doing it once again. We are finding this bounce from of this level, finding strength in towards the market for a retest once again in towards this level. Now I think the more times you are going to be knocking on towards this resistance level. Eventually we are going to be breaking it, and if we are going to be breaking it, I mean fireworks are going to be exploding towards the upside. Okay, keep that in mind. The same thing you can have a look in towards at this symmetrical triangle breakdown as well. We are still getting supported by our EMA ribbons on the weekly time frame, so that is also still looking very good. And all in all, it's starting to look very good. Now I'm still going to be watching this breakout right here. I think this breakout will be the major breakout to watch, so I'm going to be watching this falling wedge pattern develop, and we might even get some kind of a rejection right here from of this level. But eventually, if we are going to be breaking it towards the upside, well, we are going to be seeing some very high prices getting reached. Okay, now keep in mind the major trend is still towards the upside, so that is also the reason why we are still bullish on the Bitcoin macro trend. So keep that in mind. And guys, if you do want to be staying up to date about every single market development, be sure to be following me on Twitter. And guys, with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning. And guys, bye bye.